So you are here looking for directions on how to do this lab simulator. So go ahead and open up this link. It'll bring you to the Phet simulator website. You're going to click this big play button right here. You're just going to click on the picture. Don't do download. Just click on that picture. It's going to bring you to the game or the simulation site. Ba-dum-bum-bum. And then click on state. So click on state. I'm going to actually bring myself over here. And so there's a couple of things that we want to do right off the bat. We want to go over here to this temperature next to this thermometer. And we want to change that from 14K, which is Kelvin, which is another unit for temperature, to Celsius. So this is now at negative 259 degrees Celsius, which is quite cold. And then over here, we have neon, argon, oxygen, and water. And then there's also solid, liquid, and gas. And so you're able to see how the particles move with different substances, different molecules. You can see how argon is just a single argon, while oxygen, there's two oxygens there because that's how oxygen is found in everyday life. And then you can see the water molecule there. You can see how it changes between gases, liquids, and solids. So you can change the temperature that way. So you notice that for solid, it's at negative 127 degrees Celsius. For liquid, it's at 13 degrees Celsius. And for gas, it's 156 degrees Celsius. Over on this assignment, it asks for the temperature. So you're going to get the temperature of when it's at solid, liquid, and gas. Now, of course, for, say, water here, it's gas. It's at 156. If I take this and I cool it down, at 119, it's still a gas. So there's actually like kind of a range of temperatures that it could be at. And so for water, let me go down to water. For solids or gases over here, I could say 119 Celsius. And then for screenshot, I am going to take a screenshot of what these particles look like right now. So reminder, you can hit Control, Shift, and then that Windows button that has like the square and the two lines. So Control, Shift, and the Windows button, and it'll bring you to the ability where you can click and drag to select where you want. Mine looks a little bit different just because it's a Mac. But click and drag to take a screenshot. And then you're going to upload that screenshot into your assignment. So clicking that Insert Image button and then Upload from Computer. It's most likely just going to be the most recent thing that you have. And then to note, when you're putting stuff into Google Docs like this, you probably want to make the picture a little bit smaller. So click on it and then use these blue boxes to drag it. Just to make it smaller. Also, if you want to actually bring it down to this little screenshot, you can click and drag it. Just because if they're huge, then all of a sudden your assignment's going to be like 12 pages long. So you're going to take a screenshot, and that's what you're going to do for each one. You're going to get at solid, liquid, and gas. You're going to get the temperature. You're going to get the screenshot. And that's what you're doing for this second page. If you have any questions, let your teacher know, and we can help you out.